Hello friends, I am Ashok Nadani, author of more than 30 books on accounting software, blogger and creator of dvidya.com educational website. In this video, I discuss about Smart Find, a new feature added in TelePrime 7.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a feature in the brand new TelePrime 7.0 that isn't just an update, it's a total game changer. It's called Smart Find. And trust me, it's about to completely change the way you work with your business data. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. Your tally data just keeps growing and growing. Thousands of vouchers, countless ledgers, and all these reports. Trying to find that one specific entry? Yeah, it can feel like an impossible task and it eats up so much of your valuable time. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll talk about the old search struggle, the pain points we all know. Then, we'll introduce the hero of the day, Smart Find. We'll see exactly how it works, explore some of its really cool advanced features, and then wrap it all up with why this is such a huge advantage for you. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, so let's set the stage. Before Smart Find came along, finding information in Tally was, let's be honest, kind of a headache. You had to know exactly where you were going, which, as we all know, isn't always so easy. The old way of searching was very limited. If you needed to find a sales entry, you had to first open the sales register. Looking for a purchase entry? You guessed it. You had to navigate all the way over to the purchase register. Your search was basically trapped inside whatever screen you were on. It was slow, clunky, and felt like you were navigating a maze of menus. Well, all of that changes right now. Let me introduce the solution that completely erases that problem. Smart Find. The best way to think of it is like having one ultimate search bar for your entire business. So what is Smart Find really? Smart Find is an instant global search tool built right into Tally. And when I say global, I mean it. It doesn't just search the screen you're looking at. Nope. It scans everything. Your vouchers, ledgers, stock items, reports, and even the words in your narrations across your entire company's data all at once. This quote perfectly sums it up. It's not just a simple find tool. It's literally like hitting Control plus F on your entire business history. That simple idea is the key to understanding just how powerful this feature really is. Now, this all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work? Let's get into the good stuff and see this magic in action. You're going to be surprised at how simple and intuitive it is. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, press Alt plus F, and you can do this from absolutely any screen in Tally. Second, start typing whatever you remember. It could be a name, an amount, or even just a word from the narration. Third, browse the results that Tally lays out for you. Clean, clear, and organized. That's it. It's really that easy. Now here's where the smart in Smart Find really shines. It uses a technology called fuzzy matching. That might sound technical, but it simply means you don't have to be a perfect speller. Smart Find is designed to understand what you meant to type, even if you make a small mistake. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you're in a rush and trying to find a party named Cameroon, but you quickly type Kumar. Boom! Instead of saying not found, Smart Find intelligently shows results like Himaram, Kitaram, and other similar variations. It gets you where you need to go, even with small typos. This feature alone is a massive time saver, and the sheer variety of things you can search for is incredible. You can search by party name, a specific amount, GSTIN number, a single word, from narration like round off, voucher numbers, check numbers, even IMEI numbers for products. You can also type the name of a report like GSTR3B and it will take you straight there. No more menu diving. The basics are amazing, right? But if you want to take things to the next level, Smart Find also offers powerful advanced search and configuration options. Let's talk power user features. You can use logical operators to create very precise searches. For example, find transactions where the ledger amount is exactly 10,000 rupees. Find entries greater than 50,000 rupees. Search for vouchers that contain both the words petrol and August in the narration. It's extremely powerful. You can also customize how the search works. You can choose to search only within the current company
or search across all loaded companies at once. A huge advantage for accountants, you can filter results too. View only masters like ledgers, or view only transactions like vouchers. You're completely in control. So we've covered the what and the how. Now let's get to the most important question. The so what. Does a simple search feature really change how you work every single day? Absolutely.
First, there's speed, finding information instantly without clicking through endless menus. Then, there's accuracy. You can pinpoint the exact entry you need and reduce errors. Training new staff becomes easier. They can just search instead of memorizing paths. For auditors, this is a dream tool for tracking, verifying, and correcting transactions. You can instantly find every entry with a wrong GSTIN or a typo. It's honestly amazing. So I'll leave you with this final thought. If you had the power to search your entire business history, every transaction, every note, every detail, in just a few seconds, what's the very first thing you would look for? Think about the time you'd save. Think about the insights you could uncover. That right there is the true power of Smart Find.